My name's Juan Rociles. I'm in Engineering Architecture 2 at Joliet Central High School. Today I'll be just showing you guys my shed presentation. Introduction. An overview of this project, we were assigned to create a physical model of a shed, and also following the codes of Joliet sheds. We learned different key vocabulary in building a shed. Floor joist, subfloor, cripple stud, fire blocks, header, rough opening, sill, sole plate, stud, top plate, trimmer, truss, insulations, sheeting, vapor barrier, sliding, underlayment, asphalt shingles, bottom cord, load, panels, pitch, span, support, top cord, and web members. Research. After we finish learning these new vocabulary, we review over some of the Joliet codes and see what we need to build one and what are we allowed and what are not. We learned that you need 8 things in order to start the process of building a shed: an accurate pattern survey, a completed building permit application, a completed residential accessory, structure form, measurements like length and width, structural drawings, brochure or shed model number, homeowners association approval, an estimate cost, and a copy of the contract. Then we move on to CAD drawings. Once we finish the research, we start making the walls for the sheds. We started with side walls, and once we completed those, we move on to the front and rear. For the front and rear walls, instead of using a 2x4 for most of the wall, the headers right here with these arrows indicating it, we used a little bit more wider ones, and there were like 2 of them back to back for the window and the door. For the trusses, there were 6 of them, so we had to print out the drawing only once and use it twice so we can save material. For the construction part, we need to make a 17.25 by 11.25 rectangle out of cardboard to put our printed drawings. Then we can start cutting our wood for the side walls. Once we finish both side walls, we can start on the front and rear ones. Once again, we use a thicker wood for the header and the door and window, and there's 2 of them glued together. For the trusses, we had to make 6 trusses. To save material, we used the same drawing twice. When all walls are finished, we been able to glue them. It was time to put them together. We had to make sure the shed was centered on a 10 by 10 piece of cardboard. We used the same cardboard that we used for the drawings to put the wood on. First, we put the front and rear wall. Then we put the side walls, and then I had to add a top plate on top of it so that they can hold together. Then we have to find a equal space distance for each 6 trusses. Reflection. My favorite part about this project is that it was a lot of hands-on work, but also at the same time having some work on the computer. I would have done a better job at getting cleaner cuts for my wood. My advice is to have time management and not rushing through the construction work. I would like to thank you guys for watching this presentation. And the final results. Thank you and have a nice day.